Hello everyone, I'm back again. So we will learn today natural and man-made changes. They are based on utility. Natural changes. Climatic change, aging, formation of coal and raining. Man-made changes, beneficial changes. Example, extraction of metals, construction of buildings. Harmful changes, explosion, pollution, greenhouse effect. Introduction. In our daily life, we observe many changes around us. Everything in this universe undergoes a change. These changes may be observed by us at home, school, playground, garden, or any other place. These changes are classified into natural and man-made changes. Natural changes, the change that takes without any artificial interference are natural changes. Natural changes take place on their own or change that happen without help from humans. They happen completely natural. Man has no control over them. Like in the previous video, we have learned that man has no control over natural changes. That's true. Man has no control over natural changes. We have no control over aging of humans. We have no control over climatic change, raining, formation of coal, blowing of wind and flow of river to join the sea, and a heartbeat. We have no control over them. So these are natural changes. These are some examples: climatic change, aging, formation of coal deep in the earth crust, raining, our heart is beating continuously, change in seasons occur in nature, blowing of wind and the flow of river to join the sea. Man-made changes. The change occurs due to the action of humans or by human activities are known as man-made changes. Man-made changes are of two types: beneficial changes and harmful changes. Beneficial changes are the changes which do benefit to us, and harmful changes are which changes which are harmful for us, like earthquake is harmful for us, air pollution is harmful for us, and beneficial changes are construction of buildings, dams, roads, etc. So let's learn the exact definition. Beneficial changes are the changes which are beneficial for us. These changes are help in these changes helps in development of humans, the extraction of metals from the ore, construction of buildings, dams, roads, etc. These are the photo of extraction of iron from iron ore. So here is going air, hot air stores, hoppers, cape, dump car means refractory, blast furnace, iron ore, coke and limestone, charge, slag drain, molten iron, ladle, blast furnace, waste gas. So these are the parts of this extraction of iron from iron ore. Harmful changes. A man-made disaster is a disaster that is accidentally or intentionally created by humans. Examples of man-made disaster include explosion. When we burn cracker, it leads to air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, soil pollution. You all know greenhouse effect. You all know the methane gas, water vapors, and carbon dioxide, etc. Industrial incidents, climatic change, wars. These are some examples of carbon. More examples of man-made changes are the extraction of iron from iron ore, construction of buildings, burning of fuels, liquefaction of air into liquid air, subsequent fractional into liquid nitrogen and liquid oxygen, air pollution, global warming. So here is two or three mm, key points. Greenhouse effect. It is a natural process that keeps our Earth's atmosphere warm. However, due to various types of industrial developments made by humans, it causes a lot of pollution. This pollution basically results in releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. For example, burning fossil fuels release the carbon dioxide. So, due to this greenhouse effect, in earlier refrigerator or air conditioners, we use gas known as chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. They were released by ACs and refrigerator, which lead to be which lead to the which leaded to the depletion of ozone layer and made a hole. That's why there is a hole which we call it ozone hole. Another key point. Greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, etc. The additional amount of carbon dioxide increases the greenhouse effect, which makes the planet warmer than it would be naturally Thereby, the increase in global temperature leads to global warming. Misconception. Only man-made changes can be harmful, but natural changes are always beneficial to mankind. Fact, both man-made as well as natural changes are either beneficial or harmful. A natural change like an earthquake or tsunami is harmful to mankind. Examples. What are the two types of man-made changes? Solution means answer. Man-made changes are of two types, which are beneficial changes and harmful changes. Beneficial changes. These changes are help in development of humans, the extraction of metals from their iron ore, construction of building dams, roads, etc. Harmful changes. A man-made disaster is a disaster that is accidentally or intentionally created by humans. Examples man-made disaster include explosion, pollution, greenhouse effect, industrial incidents, climate changes, wars. Key are another key point. Ore are naturally occurring rocks that contains metals or metal compounds in sufficient amount to make useful extracting them. So bye everyone, we have done our second video, our second lesson. So in the next video we will learn desirable and undesirable changes. Thank you and bye.